won't run into much interference here. You men who are making the Tokyo run will have to do some plain and fancy hedge hopping en route. The weather reports from the Copperfin are in the hands of the navigators. The Navy has done a great job of coordination. The rest is up to us. Any questions?
One last reminder, fellows. Double check your pockets. Make sure you have nothing on you that would give information to the enemy. No man taking off is to have any means of identification whatsoever. Who you are, where you came from, or where you're going. But when you land in China, don't order chop suey. That's strictly an American dish. Good luck, happy landings, and God bless you.
Pilots, man your plane.
Come on, Joe.
Dropping for you, Lieutenant.
I'll see that you get them back personally, fellas.
Hey, boy, go get him, Butch! Don't study, please.
Attention, officers and men of the attack force. Every man on this ship and every man in the Navy wishes you the best of luck. Stand by to start engines. Start engine.
Come on, boys. I hear Japs are happy to die for their emperor. A lot of them are going to be made very happy. Take a look at the results of your broadcast, Ray. They're dropping eggs all over the place, men. Smack on the target.
Yeah! Terrific. How do you like that?
Take a look, Andy.
Small ships bearing 225.
Mine's sweepers. Running interference for the big babies. Yiper! Planes are chasing the rats out of their nests. Down scope.
All ahead full.
All ahead full, sir.
They'll lower the gate to let the capital ships out in a hurry. And us.
We'll take you through the gate wide open.
Stofero, Colombo. Here comes a flat top with a destroyer screen. Our planes are taking off to tackle ours. Stand by for setup. Mark, bearing 290. Angle on the bow 20 degrees starboard. Range 6,000. Estimated speed 20 knots. Downscope. Steady on course 085. All ahead full. Make all tubes ready for firing.
Make all tubes ready for firing.
Torpedo setting, 12 feet, high speed. Firing order, 1342. Firing bearing 338.
Fire one. Give me a time check.
4 seconds, 5 seconds.
Fire three. Fire four. Fire two. Downscope.
1 second, 22 seconds, 23 seconds.
Missed him with number one.
That was mine! It's mine, you Number one!
Take her under the carrier. We'll finish the job with the sting from our tail. Stand by stern tubes. Fire five. Fire six. Fire eight. Fire seven. Charge. Take the angle off the boat.
0 dive bubbles. Level off at 150 feet.
Uh-oh. on, boys. It's gonna get rougher.
All rigged for depth charges, kid?
Yes, sir.
When you hear the metallic click, click, hang on. See what I mean?
Sure giving them a licking, aren't we, sir?
Yeah.
Switch to emergency lighting.
I'll bet you $5 the next one drops on the starboard side.
I'll take it.
Hey, fellas. The next war, I'm going to the Ozarks and hide. Oh, Duke. I'm sorry.
Oh, skip it, Cookie. I'd rather get wet that way than have Jap seawater pouring in on me.
All stop. We'll try and coast out from under them.
Congratulations, Wolf. On what? It's been an hour since anything reminded you of a dame. Oops. Sorry, honey. Zeb told me to rope you in.
What makes the metallic clicks before the depth charges, Tosky?
Well, we figure it's the detonator going off before the main charge. Here's a pencil, kid. The skipper won't mind if you keep score in his bulkhead.
All ahead full.
Shoot me a toolbox! All secured, sir.
Hello, Ray. Want something to lean on? There's plenty more coming. Well, anyway, Tokyo got its face lifted, and we got ourselves a flat top.
Captain, I'm no good.
Why not?
Scared stiff.
How do you think the rest of us feel?
Oh, you're not scared. I've looked at your faces.
I looked at yours, too. It's the same as the others.
You're scared?
I'll say I am. So is everyone else.